Everything that a home inspector does in relation to marketing all points to a website. You want to track every click to see how each marketing effort directly impacts your bottom line. Website data is the key to understanding and improving everything, and including your client's experience with you and their journey from becoming aware that you exist to becoming a scheduled client and part of your network of clients. So measure what matters. If you're doing anything tomorrow, if you're wearing a shirt that has some kind of call to action, like a URL, you can track that. It's actually measuring, because website analytics reveals which marketing tasks deliver the most clients. Tips for home buyers. You can download this for free. If that doesn't convert into a scheduled client, then you disconnect. You don't do that anymore. Going door to door, this marketing task, and that is traced back to your website. And then you go to sales and see where those sales come from. How many people visit your website and are turned into clients? And how much money do you make per client? That's website analytics. That's conversion rates. That's sales, revenue, that's profit. And you get all of that through your website. And that's what I wanted to share with you.